Patrick's here.
Oh, we're using the same mic.
So we can be like a bluegrass band. Ooh.
Hey, this is Paul with Paul Component Engineering, and we're going to walk around the shop a little bit, giving you some update on what's been happening with COVID. And first, we're going to talk to Haley, then we're going to talk to a couple more people, and it's going to be very informative, and I really think you're going to need to watch it. Well, this is Haley and I'm Paul, and we're out here talking about our hopes and dreams. We've got the hope corn, which Haley completely took on herself. She just decided we should have some corn last year.
It came to fruition, a couple of coworkers and I, and it gave us something to do and something to look at while we were all locked down, and I hoped that it would hope us out of COVID, and I hoped that it would help us get a bike race here and continue to do what we do so well,
And we are feeling like we're kind of out of COVID now. We're actually feeling pretty good about it. No masks, but now the hope for this is PAULoween. And we're not sure if you know what PAULoween is out there, but you should probably take it upon yourself to find out. And if you hear we're having it, you should probably be here. It's a Halloween race. You have to wear a costume. It's cyclocross style, sort of, junkyard style. Part of it goes through the shop, but
it's crazy.
It's awesome. But last year we thought, we didn't know if it was going to happen because, it was all topsy-turvy. So we planned it, didn't happen. But this year, I'm feeling like it's going to happen. I'm just really, the hope
is strong with us.
The hope is strong. The hope is strong. And I believe it's that Saturday night right before Halloween, which is the 28th, I believe. It's somewhere in there. I don't know. But you should be here because it's going to be fun.
Be here eating hope corn.
Yeah. Entry fee is you must come in costume and you must bring a carved pumpkin.
Absolutely. Very important.
Yes. And we'll have taco truck. We have live bands, we have DJ, we have open bar, we have 27 cake, we have 3 cakes, and it's a lot of fun, it's a lot of yelling, and there's jumps, and we hope it happens, and we hope you'll be here.
Yes!
Hey, this is Paul at Paul Component. This is Patrick. He's what's known as the lathe guy. And he's got a brand new fancy toy here. Well, it's a machine tool. This is not a toy, people. And there's a lot going on in here, including making fun noises. And the idea with this was we needed to have something where the parts from start to finish were done instead of the old way, which was make a part, take it to a machine, do something else, and sometimes take it to a third machine. And so our biggest problem, obstacle at the moment is providing the parts for the incredible demand that's out there. And this is really going to help with that. We do have it making our very first part, which is a Melvin jockey wheel, which is really simple. But it's been a learning experience, and Patrick is nailing it and doing an awesome job. And this also opens up for a lot more complicated parts, which I can't talk about right now, but which you may see in the next year or two. All right, and now we're here with Gary, and number one, Thanks for the incredible support and the orders. And we are shipping.
Yes, we are. Lots of parts.
We are shipping lots of parts. This pile is just getting started for the day. We're early in the day still. But Andrew, your parts are on the way. Tom, Paige,
Pierre,
Christopher, parts are on the way. We've been working our butt off, Gary especially and his team, so thank you.
my pleasure. Happy to do it. And thank you all for being so patient with us.
Yes. Speaking of that, we do have when you place your order, you have to sign by our terms and conditions, which is basically, please don't bother Gary too much. This is Gary. How could you bother this face? Look at this. And that was partly tongue-in-cheek, but also partly, sometimes it comes down to we can ship your order or we can answer your question about when your order is going to ship. And we would much rather just ship your order. So please be patient. Try to hold off on those calls checking in. Things are taking longer, not as long as they were, but we will get to it. We promise.
Yep. Yeah, I mean, going through our back orders, we're at about a 6 to 8 week lead time at this point, and yeah, as Paul said, we had to make a decision to either answer emails all day or ship parts, and we want to get your parts to you. So you'll see if you email us, you'll get an automated response apologizing for that, but we do appreciate how patient everybody's been.
So to conclude, I would like to introduce Mary Barrow. Barrow. I thought it was Barrow.
It's Barrow.
I've only known you for about 20 years.
That's it.
So,
Oh.
Mary is very important on this team. She actually is the shipping person, and also does many, many other things. And so luckily she's here with us now. This was my bartender from Sierra Nevada, and we became friends, and I decided she should work for me instead of work there. So now she works for me.
And I said yes.
And it's awesome.
Hey, I just want to remind you guys to take this time to subscribe if you like what you see here.
Yeah, punch that subscribe button.
I'm going to give that subscribe
Just
to a
like-
little slap.
just like-
give it a little slap.
Bammo,
Slap
blammo.
the base. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button.
If
Yeah.
you want to
If you want to see more
yeah.
like this.
Oh, Lord.